Your air conditioner doesn't use as much electricity as you think. So how much does it consume? How to find out how much energy your air conditioner uses? Everything is very simple. Everyone confuses the performance of the air conditioner with the energy consumption. As an example, I will show you the Sanyo SAP CR184 AHA. On the sticker that is stuck on the outdoor unit, we can see that the performance of this air conditioner in cooling mode is 5.15 kilowatts, while the energy consumption is only 1.6 kilowatts. He not consumes as much electricity as you thought, right? Let's see how much electricity this air conditioner consumes in heating mode. In this model, the heating power is as much as 5.7 kilowatts. But the heating power consumption is only 1.58 kilowatts. Everything is very simple. Have you checked how much electricity your air conditioner uses?